In this video, I'll show you how to find the best shipping method on CJ Dropshipping quickly and confidently. Choosing the right option is important because it affects delivery speed, costs, and customer satisfaction. To get started, open your browser and go to CJ Dropshipping, then log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one first so you can access all the shipping tools. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the shipping calculator or shipping related tools. This feature helps you compare available shipping methods based on your specific order details. Now enter the required information. Start by selecting the source platform where the product comes from and choose the warehouse location such as China or the US. Next, enter the destination country and postal code since shipping prices and delivery times depend heavily on the destination. After that, add the product weight and, if available, the product type like electronics or accessories. After filling in the details, the calculator will display a list of available shipping methods along with estimated delivery times and costs. This makes it easy to compare your options side by side. Finally, choose the shipping method that best fits your needs. If faster delivery is your priority, select a quicker option even if it costs a bit more. If saving money is more important and delivery time isn't urgent, a slower and cheaper option may work better. And that's it. By using CJ Dropshipping's shipping calculator, you can easily find the best shipping method for every order. Thanks for watching and happy shipping.